Welcome to the expert mode. Here you can manage your computer configuring in the least details. I have already analyzed all devices on your computer and selected the following drivers. Notice that we also suggest several alternative drivers for each device. Just click a device name and you will see them yourself. Thank you for your trust to our software selection. We can guarantee that you won't regret about your choice. Please pay your attention to Opera browser. By installing it you will support DriverPack financially and allow our software an opportunity to remain free of charge. Sometimes it happens so that the system slows. Here is what we know now about your computer based on the diagnostics we have done. No, we don't transfer these data to the third parties, and these data will be kept strictly between us. And no, I promise not to use these data after the day when the robots praise the robots. Yay! Installing has already started. In order the drivers to get installed properly, it is important not to interrupt the installing process, nor turn off computer power. During installing I will be explaining you in details everything that will be going on, and will suggest you how to solve any issues if they arise. Now you need to complete all active software and disable your antivirus for the entire installing period. It is usually possible to do via menu in the right low corner of the screen. Drivers installing is a low-level process that engages system files, so antivirus can block installing. Don't worry, you won't stay without protection. Your antivirus will enable itself after reboot. Here is the list of the drivers that will be installed or updated. In addition, we will install driver utility set, system libraries, and a couple of useful software. But first I will explain what the driver utilities are required for. Driver utilities are important for proper driver functioning. For instance, DirectX utility version that we will install will enable to run old games without making a conflict with the more advanced versions, and Visual C++ helps reduce errors quantity in driver. DriverPack uses machine learning to select the required drivers which enables to correct the errors right during installing. For example, algorithms form detailed logs, and can roll back the installed drivers. After the installing process is completed, we will check to ensure that all the devices function properly. DriverPack is the only program for computer configuring in the world that takes care of you during the entire installing stage and even after it. Our support team is available daily and is ready to help you in solving any troubles with your computer. Besides the drivers, we will also provide you with 3 browsers: Edge, Opera, and Firefox. These are the official builds from our partners. They are easy to remove if necessary. We take no money from you for using DriverPack since our partners, Edge, Firefox, and Opera, pay instead of you. Each time when you are searching for something via these browsers, we get our modest share, and it makes it possible for DriverPack to stay free of charge.